onye open to media biem wo pene kwa na interview man unya no samo Okudzato Ablakwa sam na meken
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betimi the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de nito Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
onye open to media biem wo pene kwa na interview man unya no samo Okudzato Ablakwa sam na meken ye ni musama how passionate no ye in opposition e ba galamsa asem ho a menye ne se yebras Okudzato Ablakwa say de akoso a ye kan onte ye menyini so runs for jump or beka che ye say and was a man penny be not to so a declare state of emergency because but the galamse situation one and to office or the post into a person chess did na ye no you runs for jump on tea.
Okay, so
galamse stand to do on who ya na.
So what we'll do is what we'll do is we want to join thousands of Ghanaians.
And they're very necessary.
Man paying attention, but
state of emergency no now.
So ye reference man basikana
the ambassador no babonte ye H0w say Okudzato chatro say Ghana lose sika bi Ghana lose $4.8 million today. Now man for question me say where is the evidence? Now me show evidence na man sa NDC full soldiers no a o ka asemu a wo ntimi nya critical no. Now where ye the ambassador na mutie no
question, and I just need a one-word answer.
From Pemo, Eddie Kudan, Apukemo District Assembly, from the British and Aquacoma, ABC, or
bio ekoto no mom ne baagi mu e na hwem sika no amebio eno nti nkoda ebre bi eje to kantamanto ame echa sika bi se mfa mwa wonwa omo akwa ahoyehia mu no sika na nkodu om ho eno susu wo mu afa ne nsase wonu nyina yakwa adu a ode bo no anti wo gina so de ne kwagina court afi 2021 eno na court gina asam so saa de tu dwa se wodi for enti mfie du onkotwa wafiase enam so akosa ne ho yare a wa mabio nti na so twenda ho twen no ena no aba bedru ye nrachi ena obedru ye ewo eye enkrayom hyengina bia wodru ye no sabi ne ho mfa no enti wote wheelchair mu na daily guide sis wodi bo no so ho se mam ne sabi ne ho mfa no ampa e se na ne na se atata kakra enti no se ye ka se wa ye appeal Emma appeal na lawyer for nso so dia kwakodan court se high court no anka se odi ase no kwa wo ye mfonso kwa du omu gina so di bo ma mi didi tu dwade ye ho eti niam bebre to siri wo mu nti no se so asan aye appeal den ya wo hwe se court nso di na no di sem ebeba betu dwa
nyina yetua ne taku sempoa obi akari koko be bag du wakwa ne yama ne 5 million Satam 31 million sunka 300 and something million. Aye, wakwa ne yama ne 5 million. No de abeto nchenedi. No asan fa fom ko. No akwaji 2 million. No de abeto ayi kobi. Sa ya shisika no. Ghana ni sei na Ghana ni pe. Emma Ghana ni me se Ghana ni ho to no. Wonwene hwe. Na so ne ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsem hunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem na koko kuani akwaji ni sika otuko no kan yese yesika mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno ase da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaji abeto dem na da ho uwi a waka chensa wa hwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai Dwa mama ba otua sika wo ya yede Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua because oya Ghana ni nkan Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition o kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so kofo na be stop we nyina ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa awo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo onwu omumfu otukwa nyasi akomo omaduro wa fe nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Americani na wa hyehyɛ daache de ama no gina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na uhwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na uhwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awu no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones it go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Yeah, hospital and it goes on and no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abaya. This is a kind of candy was I would to me was oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrifice discard to what the hospitals are most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator me on funded free seniors most of my comfort. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to me and call I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen in a home. Obian can't to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa de Sebi, ye be a kitting, ye invest square and kitting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system, also open kitting. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open kitting. Is any one day? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na warning was such a message. Me na me go catch you by John Dramani Mama, so all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most of the digitalization and talking, it's more kinky sika. It's a mamma papa naba, or mamma kinky, and mamma added a mockum. You will come here. And you John Dramani Mama could not, if I say, and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, I'm only kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear Koya cried him and now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Films, hey, Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onye
Juma or da. And Onye Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.